What's up, everybody? Seth here. Just wanted to do a unboxing for my brand new Apple Watch. I know I'm very late to the Apple Watch game as far as the Series 4 goes. I will say that I did have the first edition Apple Watch a couple years back. Ended up getting rid of it, and let me tell you, that was a big mistake, to be honest with you, because I wore that thing almost every day. So, you know, I've wanted one again ever since. I ended up getting rid of it, like I said, just because I knew I could. You know, wanted to try other things. Really, what I wanted to do was wear some of the other watches I had. And I was like, I'm going to wear these for a while. I'll get rid of the Apple Watch. Maybe I'll come back to them later. And, well, I'm unboxing it, so clearly I did. But Apple Watch, you can see, still got the plastic on it. Series 4. I ended up going with the 44mm and the, what is that, Seashell Sport Loop. Looked pretty cool. Looked more professional, but yet sporty at the same time. That's kind of the look I wanted to go for. So, let's get to it, I guess. Wrapped up plastic. I'm going to pull this piece here. I'm going to open her up. So, no real rhyme or reason to how it opens with this part. Pretty straightforward. Peel it away. It's very satisfying to take these off, by the way. Sorry if I sound sick, because I was. But completely healed now, right? So, okay. So about that. Now we're open. Okay. Apple Watch. No plastic wrappers. And what you got to do is pull these tabs. I'm going to go both at the same time, because I roll that way. Alright. Boom. And very interesting design folding out here. Whoa. That is pretty cool. Got all these Apple Watches inside the outer shell here. Let me put this kind of off to the side. So what do we got left? Box and the band, the strap. So, pretty cool. They come separate. Which way should I go first? I guess we'll go with the watch first. Why not? So, watch slides out the box here. Very cool. Look at the detail. I mean, that's obviously, if you use Apple products, you know about the detail, but the edges inside there, they don't have to do that. That's good stuff. So, alright. Next, you see the watch here. Obviously, it doesn't have the band on it. So, let's go through this. As you can see, charger, adapter, and then the watch. We got our little directions, step by step here. Very cool, very classy. Definitely feel like I made a good choice. Steps 1. You can see these here. Steps. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. I'll show syncing the watch as well. Alright. Now, USB charger. These also have covers on them, which is just again, first class. You know, they don't have to do that. You know, here's this little tab thing again, just on the charger. Pretty sweet. And the watch face itself in a sleeve. How cool is that? Man, that's awesome. Put this down here. Alright, sorry for the cut. To be completely transparent, I'm bending over the camera, and 100% not comfortable, but it's all good. Anything for the footage. Alright. By the way, you probably won't see a cat in this video. Cat's fine, but I I shut the door. Now this right here is pretty sweet. This is definitely material. It's not a cover. It's not like a, I should say it's not a like a packaging thing. This is like legit. You can put this back in here. It's like a felt, I guess, with the size on it. You can see. Maybe. Yeah, got the size on it. That's awesome. And then of course the watch. This, I'm sure, has some plastic wrap on the back. Maybe. I can't see it if it does. If not, that's okay. Alright. Here's what I'm going to do for now. Put this back so you guys can see what I'm talking about. In there. Wow, that just feels really cool. Alright. Now let's open up this case, or the band, sorry. No, I don't rehearse doing this. This is one take, one shot. Obviously, I don't have an extra Apple Watch in case I mess up, say something wrong or whatever. So you get what you get. What you see is what you get. Alright. Another one of these slips here, explaining, I guess, the thing about the band. That's pretty cool. How to put the band on. Okay, throw it through till you hear the click. Here it is. Okay, very nice. So pull this bad boy out. It's taped in there a little bit. Pull that tape off somehow. Look at that. Somebody like had to make that, you know. It serves no purpose but to keep things in place until you open it and use it. And Apple is legit. Okay, so it's Velcro, guys. That's how these work. I actually either didn't pay enough attention or just kind of missed that part, but this is Velcro. You got 5 Velcro pieces there that go on any part of the band. Pretty cool. I'm going to leave it undone for now. So, obviously, let's throw on the watch. Alright. Slide. Felt the click. Slide. There you have it. Can adjust it however I want to. But there it is. Oh boy, I cannot wait to put this thing on and start using it. So let me get to that. Set this up a different way so you'll see it on my wrist, and I'll actually connect it to my phone. Okay, so now I've got the watch here, and let's throw this thing on. Okay, so here's what's cool. So this never comes out of the end. So just make sure your wrist and hands aren't too fat. Luckily, mine are not too fat to go in here yet. Hopefully never will be, but that feels really comfortable. Wow. Velcro down. Sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and now I forgot what the instructions actually said, but there we go. Just hold the side button in. To be honest with you, I mean, the strap makes all the difference. It feels completely different than the last watch I had, because I had the rubber-ish silicone, I guess, sport bands. So it was different. But this is, what the heck is it even made out of? Hold on. I don't know. I can't see it. But it's cloth type, right? So, okay, low battery. I just got it. What the heck? Interesting. Alright, so to be continued, because the very first thing that came up was, hey, charge me. Okay, alright. Well, I guess I'm charging it. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's been probably 30 to 40 minutes, and you know, it takes a while for the battery to charge, no big deal, but I'm still getting this message even though it's like halfway. So still nothing happens when I bring my phone. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Alright, let's try to set this up. Hopefully you guys can see this. Alright, pair Apple Watch. It's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna work with this screen like that. Let me try to do something with this. Reset startup, maybe. Let's try that. So I hit reset startup. I'm trying to push this through. I mean, the battery is about halfway full. So, in my thought, why would it not work? And that's kind of disappointing. Right out the box, I got to go through all this, wait for it to charge. I'm trying to wear this thing, you know? So, it's all good, man. Let's see.
Hey, okay, alright. See the wheel spinning here? Definitely skipping through. Skip through this part. Or fast forward, that'd be cool.
Alright. Oh, here we go. Voila. Sweet. Update. That's cool. Yay, finally. So I've kind of forced it by restarting or resetting the activation, and that seemed to work just fine. So now it's updating my watch.
And we'll go from there.
Again, feels extremely comfortable on my wrist. Easy to adjust it, you know. Feels great. It feels more comfortable than the silicone bands, what they did. Okay, watch 5.2. Install. Yeah, right. You guys ain't finding that out. Okay. Agree. 9. Come on, I ain't reading that. And estimating time remaining. Definitely fast forwarding or cutting through all of this. Alright, so I went ahead and skipped the update, actually. As you can tell, I've moved locations. Okay. So I am just setting up my watch. I'm going to take you through that real quick. Still part of the unboxing. Route tracking, sure. Shared, yes. Passcode, yeah, why not? 4-digit passcode on the watch itself. I ain't letting you see that. Come on now. Ooh, it feels so good.
Wow.
This thing is light. It's really, really light. Activity. To set up activity, sorry for the shaky camera. I pretty much have this camera on my shoulder. Activity. Alright, I'll do that later. Heart health. Apple Pay. Yeah, I definitely want to do that. That's a great feature. Do that later. Emergency SOS. Install available apps. Some apps work, some blah blah blah. Install all. Sure. Okay, so we are syncing now. Oh, Apple Watch Basics. Display. So this is cool. This is taking me through some of the basics that I can, okay.
Oh, this is great. That's great. Teaching me a little checklist. Okay. How to do everything. Siri, turn, scroll to zoom, blah, blah, blah. Cool. Side button. Press that to show the dock. Double click for Apple Pay, right? Press and hold for medical emergency and power. Fantastic. And the watch is updating, so.
That's good stuff, man. Alright. Stand by. We'll let this thing sink. Alright. Your Apple Watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Ooh. Haptic feedback. It's really cool. Oops, sorry about that. Alright. There's the new face. And again, I'm not going to review it. This was really just an open box. Or, you know, a box opening. Unboxing. There's the word. It's late. Alright. This took a long time. Longer than I'd like. But I am super happy. If you can't tell, there's the kitty cat. Welcome to the Apple Watch. So from the phone, there it is. Beautiful. Alright. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Appreciate y'all.